The power of meal prep. Meal prep is a crucial component of maintaining a healthy diet while navigating busy schedules.
By dedicating a bit of time upfront to prepare meals in advance, individuals can ensure they have nutritious options readily available throughout the week.
This not only saves time but also eliminates the temptation to opt for less healthy fast food or snacks when hunger strikes. Additionally, meal prep allows for portion control, making it easier to manage caloric intake and adhere to dietary goals.
It promotes a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, contributing to overall well-being.
With meals prepped and ready to go, individuals can enjoy the convenience of grabbing a nutritious option on the go, supporting their health goals with minimal effort.
Embracing meal prep as a regular practice is undoubtedly the best way to prioritize healthy eating amidst life's demands.
Meal prep guide: storing fresh vegetables in the refrigerator. Radish, carrot, potato, red potato, pumpkin, mushroom, tomatoes, cucumber, and eggplant are all excellent candidates for meal prepping and storing in the refrigerator.
Begin by thoroughly washing each vegetable under running water. Peel the carrots, potatoes, and eggplant, ensuring to remove any blemishes or spots.
Trim the ends of the radishes and discard any discolored parts.
For the pumpkin, peel, deseed, and cut it into manageable pieces.
Slice the mushrooms and tomatoes according to your preference.
Once cleaned and prepared, cut all the vegetables into bite-sized pieces or slices, ensuring uniformity for even cooking and serving.
Place the prepared vegetables in separate airtight containers or resealable bags, making sure they are properly sealed to maintain freshness and prevent moisture loss.
Store the containers in the refrigerator, where they can last for up to 1 week, except for tomatoes, which typically have a shelf life of around 5 days.
This meal prep method ensures that the vegetables are conveniently available for cooking or snacking throughout the week. Freezer-friendly meal prep, preserving freshness without blanching. To meal prep: radish, carrot, potato, pumpkin, mushroom, tomatoes, cucumber, and eggplant for freezer storage without blanching. Start by thoroughly washing and peeling each vegetable.
Then, cut them into desired pieces or slices, ensuring uniformity for even cooking.
Next, place the prepared vegetables in separate airtight containers or freezer bags, removing as much air as possible to prevent freezer burn.
Label the containers with the contents and date before placing them in the freezer.
When ready to use, simply remove the desired portion from the freezer and thaw in the refrigerator overnight, or cook directly from frozen as needed.
This method preserves the freshness and flavor of the vegetables, while providing convenient access to nutritious ingredients for your meals.
Quick and easy: 1-pot salmon and vegetable boil with fresh ingredients. To prepare a wholesome meal using the meal prepared: radish, carrot, potato, pumpkin, mushroom, tomatoes, and eggplant. Start by boiling a pot of water.
Once boiling, add the vegetables to the pot and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until they are tender, but still retain some crispness.
In the last few minutes of cooking, add the bite-sized pieces of salmon to the pot and cook until they are opaque and easily flake with a fork, approximately 3–5 minutes depending on the thickness of the salmon.
Once cooked, drain the vegetables and salmon, and season with your preferred herbs, spices, and a splash of lemon juice for added flavor.
Serve hot and enjoy this nutritious and convenient meal prepared with fresh ingredients. Quick and easy: 1-pot salmon and vegetable boil. To prepare a wholesome meal from the freezer: stored vegetables and salmon. Begin by thawing the vegetables in the refrigerator overnight or using the defrost setting in the microwave for quicker thawing.
Once thawed, bring a pot of water to a boil and add the vegetables, ensuring they are submerged.
Allow them to boil for 5 to 7 minutes until they are tender but still crisp.
In the last few minutes of cooking, add the bite-sized pieces of salmon to the pot and cook until they are opaque and easily flake with a fork, approximately 3 to 5 minutes depending on the thickness of the salmon.
Once cooked, drain the vegetables and salmon and season with your preferred herbs, spices, and a splash of lemon juice for added flavor.
Serve hot and enjoy this nutritious and convenient meal straight from the freezer to your table.
Title: Fresh and clean, meal prepping a variety of vegetables. To meal prep bell pepper, red onions, cabbage, red cabbage, broccoli, bok choy, kale, lettuce, spinach, rapine, iceberg lettuce, and romaine.
To meal prep a selection of vibrant vegetables. Start by giving bell peppers a thorough wash under running water to remove any dirt or residue.
Proceed by peeling off the outer layers of onions, ensuring to discard any damaged sections.
For cabbage, strip away the outer leaves, discarding them. Then blanch the cabbage's outer layer in boiling water to eliminate surface contaminants.
Rinse the inner layers of cabbage meticulously under cold water. Similarly, cleanse and blanch other verdant leafy vegetables like bok choy, kale, broccoli, lettuce, spinach, iceberg lettuce, and romaine.
Once blanched, allow the vegetables to cool completely before transferring them into airtight containers or freezer bags.
Safely store these prepared vegetables in the freezer until you're ready to incorporate them into your culinary creations.
This meticulous method effectively removes dirt, bacteria, and pesticide residues from the vegetables, ensuring their freshness and nutritional integrity for future use.
Salmon and Veggie Delight. To create a delicious dish, begin by taking out the variety of frozen vegetables stored in the freezer.
In a large pot of boiling water, carefully add the vegetables, ensuring they are submerged.
Allow them to thaw and heat through for a few minutes. Meanwhile, prepare bite-sized pieces of salmon.
Once the vegetables are partially cooked, gently introduce the salmon pieces into the pot, making sure they are evenly distributed.
Continue to cook until the salmon is tender and flakes easily with a fork, and the vegetables are crisp tender.
Drain the contents of the pot and serve the flavorful medley of salmon and vegetables hot.
This simple yet nutritious meal offers a delightful combination of protein-rich salmon and a variety of colorful vegetables, providing a satisfying and wholesome dining experience. Title: Steamed Salmon and Garden Fresh Vegetables. To prepare this nutritious and flavorful dish, start by thawing the assortment of frozen vegetables obtained from the freezer. Meanwhile, cut fresh salmon into bite-sized pieces.
In a steaming pot, add water and bring it to a gentle boil.
Place a steaming basket or tray in the pot and arrange the thawed vegetables and salmon pieces on it, ensuring they are evenly spaced.
Cover the pot with a lid and steam the ingredients for several minutes until the salmon is cooked through and the vegetables are tender yet crisp.
Steaming helps preserve the natural flavors and nutrients of the ingredients while minimizing the need for added fats or oils.
Once cooked, carefully remove the steaming pot from the heat and serve the succulent steamed salmon alongside the vibrant assortment of garden fresh vegetables.
This wholesome and nourishing meal provides a satisfying balance of protein, vitamins, and minerals, making it a perfect choice for a healthy dinner option. The art of meal prep. Size matters when cutting vegetables. When engaging in meal prep, it's crucial to consider the size of your vegetable cuts.
While smaller pieces may seem convenient, cutting vegetables too small can lead to faster spoilage and loss of nutrients.
Opting for bite-sized cuts strikes a balance, allowing for easy handling while maintaining freshness.
Ideally, keeping vegetables whole after washing them preserves their integrity and minimizes exposure to air and moisture, thereby prolonging their shelf life.
By adhering to these practices, you ensure that your prepped vegetables retain their nutritional value and stay fresh until you're ready to use them. Harnessing the power of dry towels and salad spinners in vegetable prep. Having a few dry towels and a salad spinner in your kitchen arsenal is invaluable when it comes to preparing vegetables.
After washing your veggies, using a dry towel to pat them dry helps remove excess moisture, which can prevent dilution of dressings and sauces in your salads and dishes.
Additionally, a salad spinner is a powerful tool for quickly and efficiently drying leafy greens, herbs, and other vegetables, ensuring they are crisp and ready to use in your recipes.
These simple yet effective tools make the preparation process smoother and help maintain the quality and texture of your vegetables, enhancing the overall taste and presentation of your meals. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Best wishes for a bright and successful future. See you next time for more free and outstanding videos.